What is up, y'all? It's your favorite producer, Ron. Got the recipe, and today I'm gonna be walking y'all through on how to make your beat sound like a live band. You want to get that live sound. You want it to sound realistic, real full, like a real drum or a real keyboard and a real bass player is in there. Well, this is the video for you. And as always, if you like content like this, hit me with a like, leave a comment, and if you really like it, subscribe to the channel. Let's get it. All right, y'all, we got that live band sound for you. I'm going to show you a quick trick on how I achieve this sound. We're going to delete it and rebuild it in real time. Let's get it. This is fun. Let's delete it and let's redo it just so we can get an idea of how we do this in real time. First things first, you probably want to know, how do I achieve this sound? I'm going to walk you through how I create the sound. I'm going to tell you what makes it sound like a live band. So what makes it sound like a live band is that everyone's playing the same thing. Not just about the instrument selection, not just about the sound quality. Every track is going to be playing the exact same thing. The drums will hit the same lick as the bass, as the piano, as the guitar, as the horns, and then when that all dies down, right into that verse, creating a beautiful transition, and it just sounds beautiful. All right, we got some piano here, so we got. That part here, that's more of the rap verse, right? It's only going to be like 6 measures, but it gives the artist time to come back and flow. It's still going to be 8 bars, but we're playing with the timings. Let's record it. All right. Tempo's at 87. Here we go. All right, let's get these drums down. I'm using addictive drums too. I also have some zebra clipper on here to give me a little bit more of a thump. Here we go. And my drums are gonna play on that lick. So, Let's give it a shot. I think I got it. Yeah, I don't know what note that was, but I want to go ahead and move it up. Listen, I ain't perfect, bro. I be making mistakes too. Move these up a little bit. Move that up a little bit there. All right, I'll take that. The second half is gonna be a little more boom bappy, so I'm going for more of a. All right, so next up we're gonna do is move into the bass line. We're going from C to C sharp to F to E flat, and then we're just chilling on C sharp. All right, remember everything on the same beat. Here we go. Real simple. And just for some more accents, I'm gonna add a crash here. All right, sounds good to me. All right, from this part, I'm ready to move on to some electric guitar. I'm using Guitar Rig, and I'm also using electric mid on top. And again, I'm gonna be playing the same lick, so. Same licks. Here we go. I'm gonna plug in some brass. All right, so I'm using the factory library. This is the version 1 of it. Again, and I switched it from sustain down to this one here. I can't see it, but it's more in your face. Sustain is more like this. I want it sharp, not staccato sharp. All right, because it's hitting those licks right where I need to be at that unison part. Here we go. All right, so now we've got that sound. I also panned the guitar to the right, and I've also panned, I panned the guitar to the right, and I'm gonna pan this to the left. I don't know why it's not panned already, but pan it to the left. All right, last thing I'm gonna add to that intro is some Rhodes. All right, same exact notes, let's record it. Here we go. So if you want to know what notes those were, C, C sharp, F, E flat, then we went to F, hold, 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 B flat, C, E, F, all right? So just adding a little bit of differentiation in the verse part. For that brass and that guitar, I don't want it to ring out as much. I want it to be a little bit more silent when the verse starts. So I'm gonna duplicate both of these, and I'm going to bounce them in place. This will give me more control over how long it rings. So I don't want to ring, I want it to cut off immediately. This is the ring right here. I want it to cut off immediately, and now I can bypass these two, and here's what I got. So now we don't have that guitar ringing, and we don't have that trumpet or that brass part ringing into the verse. I want it to be a cool cutoff. I'm gonna keep this one short. That is a simple trick you can use to make your sounds feel more like a band. We didn't do anything crazy, right? It's not always about the sound selection. It's not always about how you place it or what chords or what melodies you come up with. All we did was play the same thing for the first 2 bars, and it was all in unison. We played the same lick. That alone will create a live band sound. I guarantee if you try this out, you can switch it with whatever chords you want, whatever. It's gonna work because it's all playing the same thing. Yeah, it is important to pick out the right sounds. That's important too. But if you follow these instructions, I guarantee you're gonna get that same result. All right. If you like content like this, hit me with a like, leave a comment. If you want any of these sounds, I'll leave the links to them in the description below. Some of them you can save money on by using my affiliate links. If you haven't seen my video on chord placement, it'll be in the description below. Definitely check that one out. It's a good one. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.
Hey, what's up, y'all? Thanks for watching this video. I really appreciate it. If you like what you saw, don't forget to leave a comment, a like, share this video with a friend, and if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to the channel. Peace.